All right, in this video, I want to go over ClickFunnels, and if you're looking for a ClickFunnels tutorial. So the best thing for you to do once you get signed up in ClickFunnels is to go through these getting started videos here. It's just about 30 minutes, 10 minutes each. These first three videos here that Russell Brunson, who is over ClickFunnels, has put together for you. So this is going to give you, kind of like the 80% that you need to know to be really dangerous and understand the ins and outs of ClickFunnels. It's kind of an onboarding little series of how to use the editor, how to integrate your main integrations, which is your autoresponders and your payment integrations. So additionally, I've put together some list building training, and you can find that here. I'm going to give it to you as a bonus, as my way of saying thank you for getting plugged in under me. And so if you don't already have a ClickFunnels account, you can visit the link below. They do have a 14-day free trial that you can get in there, familiarize yourself with going through these first three videos, and then reach out to me. I'll hook you up with this list building for internet marketers. As an additional bonus, what I give standard for everybody who comes in under ClickFunnels through my referral link is my Evergreen Empire membership site. So inside this training, I actually teach you some very simple, scalable, and sustainable online marketing strategies, which include list building, product creation, SEO for videos and websites, as well as some paid marketing strategies. So that's what you're getting as a bonus as well. But this is a little bit more updated training that's got a little bit more information about ClickFunnels specifically, because the list building training that I did in here, I think I may mention ClickFunnels, but I was suggesting another tool at that time. So that's what I'm throwing in as a bonus. So I've got some training put together, but these are going to benefit you greatly when you get first plugged in. And then for additional help and videos and tutorials on how to do pretty much any question that you can think of, just come up here under help and then docs, and then they've got a support or a knowledge base. I know that sounds kind of boring usually, but they've got some really short videos to accompany most of the tutorials and answers to questions that you have. So that's some more information of where to find some additional help and videos and tutorials and training and stuff. So hopefully you found this video helpful. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and remember, if you don't already have a ClickFunnels account, there should be a link somewhere on this page for you to get plugged in. And if you do decide to take action today, then be sure to reach out to me so I can hook you up with that bonus. So again, if you got some value out of this video, I'd appreciate it if you take 2 seconds to like and subscribe to this channel, and thanks so much for watching.